Hi, very, very good evening.
गुड इवनिंग।
वाओ,
इवनिंग।
परफेक्ट है जी। उमा जी, आज आपकी स्माइल बड़ी प्यारी लग रही है।
ओह थैंक यू थैंक यू।
और अंशु आपकी भी। सो गुड टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू अगेन। एंड मतलब मुझे रियलाइज भी नहीं होता कब प्रोग्राम शुरू होता है और कब खत्म हो जाता है ना? तो अब हम
दिल्ली में बहुत ठंड है क्या?
बहुत ज्यादा। कल तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया कि मुझे लगा कि यार ये इतनी ठंड इतनी अचानक से आ गई कि समझ ही नहीं पाई क्या हो रहा है।
ओह माय गॉड।
बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है। ठीक है ना जी?
ठंड तो लखनऊ में भी है।
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली लखनऊ में भी ठंड तो होगी, बट हाँ, दिल्ली में बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है। और मुझे भी कुछ ज्यादा लग रही है इस बार। आई थिंक थोड़ी पतली हो गई हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है। मैं वेट लॉस,
हाँ।
ये वेट लॉस का साइड इफेक्ट है।
गुड गुड गुड।
So all those who want to lose weight, ठीक है, ज्यादा ये अच्छा टाइम नहीं है वेट लूज करने का। गुड है जी। तो चलिए हम सब अपने आप को शुरू में म्यूट पे रखते हैं और मैं बताती हूँ हमारी आज का क्लास का एजेंडा क्या रहेगा।
ओहो पेन पेपर नहीं लिया।
हाँ। आज तो बहुत ही जरूरी है पेन पेपर लेना।
वही तो।
ले आओ पेन पेपर ले आओ।
तो जैसे ही आपने कहा एजेंडा क्या, मुझे लगा पेन पेपर तो होना बहुत जरूरी है।
बहुत जरूरी है।
या आई गॉट इट।
परफेक्ट है जी। सो आज का हमारा एजेंडा ऐसा रहेगा कि सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि इन 3 हफ्तों में व्हाट इज इट दैट वी एक्सपीरियंस्ड। जरूरी नहीं है हमारे सिम्टम सारे खत्म हो गए हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें 100% इंप्रूवमेंट मिला हो, बट जस्ट कैसा रहा हमारे 3 हफ्ते, दैट इज व्हाट वी विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट। तो जो भी शेयर करना चाहेगा वो फटाफट कर ले। देन आई विल शेयर विद यू कि हमको फूड्स की इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे करनी है। ठीक है, क्योंकि इस प्रोग्राम का पर्पस ये था कि एक हम इरिटेटिंग फूड्स गट से निकाल दें तो हमारा गट अपने आप को डिटॉक्सिफाई कर पाए। और एज अ रूल होता क्या है, जब भी हम कुछ निकालते हैं तो कुछ डालते हैं, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रहता है। यस और नो? जितने भी साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स या यू नो, आई थिंक एवरीबडी विल एग्री विद दैट। तो जब हम ये इरिटेटिंग फूड्स निकालते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज हेल्दी फूड्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं एंड दे हेल्प अस विद द यस एंड दे हेल्प अस विद डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन। हमने क्या किया, हमने एक वीक मॉनिटर किया कि हमने 3 न्यू आइटम्स ऐड की। ऐसे ही आई एम श्योर ड्यूरिंग दिस 3 वीक्स हर किसी ने 3 से 6 से 9 नई आइटम जरूर ऐड की होंगी अपनी रूटीन में। ठीक है जी। 3rd वीक में, एंड थैंक यू उमा जी अगेन फॉर गिविंग दैट पुश टू एवरीबडी। और मुझे पता था मेरे कहने से ये होगा नहीं। ठीक है, क्या होता है ना, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम एक्सप्रेस करना भूल गए हैं। स्पेशली एक स्ट्रक्चर में हमें जो एक प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, हम उसी को रिपीट 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 करते रहते हैं, तो ऐसे लगता है कि वो 100 टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई हो गई है। राइटिंग इट डाउन इज द स्टार्ट ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन। और जब तक हम इमोशनली डिटॉक्सिफाई नहीं करते, फिजिकल डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन हो ही नहीं सकती है। आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि स्ट्रेस से डिजीजेस होती है। ठीक है, एंड यू विल रियलाइज दैट आप ये डेली देखते हो पर फिर भी इग्नोर कर देते हैं हम लोग। सो पुटिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन पेपर बिकम्स एक्सट्रीमली क्रिटिकल। तो हम सेकेंड री इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे। 3rd में 1 या 2 पेशेंट्स का लाइफर्स टेस्ट देख के आज बताऊंगी व्हाट इज इट दैट आई इंटरप्रेट फ्रॉम इट। बाकी लोगों का लाइफर्स हम उनकी 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशन में करेंगे। ठीक है, एंड देन एज ऑलवेज एंड में आई विल वांट टू टेक योर क्वेश्चंस टुडे फॉर अ लिटिल लॉन्गर टाइम, क्योंकि आई नो ये हमारी लास्ट क्लास है. जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं, क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप आराम से पूछ सकते हो, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर दैट. एंड द लास्ट थिंग विच आई वांट टू टेल इज, हमारी कंसल्टेशंस होंगी फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड मंडे. आपको एक लिंक आएगा जिसमें आप अपना स्लॉट बुक कर सकते हो. फ्राइडे एंड मंडे का टाइम होगा 1 to 3 के बीच का, ठीक है. एंड सैटरडे का वहां पे टाइम मैं इवनिंग का रखूंगी फॉर ऑल दोज वर्किंग पीपल, मे बी 4 to 6 और 5 to 7. तो जिनको भी सैटरडे स्लॉट्स चाहिए वो जरा थोड़ी पहले इमीडिएटली जैसे ही लिंक आएगा भर लेना, बिकॉज यू विल हैव 8 स्लॉट्स फॉर सैटरडे, 8. ठीक है, परफेक्ट है जी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कौन शेयर करना चाहेगा कि उसके ये 3 वीक्स शुरू और एंड कंफ्यूजन में हो गए, बट क्या चेंज फील किया उन्होंने? ओके, हेलो. अच्छा, मुझे किसी ने लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि मुझे प्रिंट स्क्रीन करना है, और निधि ने बताया था कैसे करना है. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस कैन स्विच ऑन आवर कैमरास. लेट्स टेक दैट फोटोग्राफ.
Print screen from your this laptop only.
हाँ हाँ, प्रिंट स्क्रीन का कौन सा होता है? निधि ने डाला था ना.
Command,
हाँ, कमांड एंड
अभी भूल गई.
कमांड एंड, ये तो ऐसे ही आएगा.
I forgot.
लेट मी चेक.
मैं देख के बता सकती हूँ.
हाँ
उसमें निधि ने भी बताया था उस दिन.
हाँ, वही मैं ऊपर जा रही हूँ. निधि ने फटाफट बताया था, मैंने सोचा उस दिन देख लूंगी.
व्हाट्सएप में सर्च कर लीजिए ना.
आई नो. यही तो सीखना है अब.
Even in WhatsApp, Dr. Preeti, there is a search feature.
हाँ यार, बट सर्च क्या करूं? कमांड
डाल के मिल गया.
नहीं नहीं, अभी कहाँ मिला.
तो उसमें डाल के राइट निधि ना, बिकॉज निधि के बहुत सारे मैसेजेस नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं है यार, बट ठीक है, मुझे मिल गया. शिफ्ट प्लस कमांड प्लस F3.
प्लस कमांड प्लस F3.
नहीं, F3 से नहीं हो रहा. आई थिंक F5 होगा.
F5 है. हाँ, शिफ्ट कमांड प्लस F5 है. एक साथ दबाना.
ये किस साथ दबाया? क्या हो रहा है ये? नहीं हो रहा यार. एनीबॉडी हु नोज प्लीज क्लिक द फोटोग्राफ. आप लोग को स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है क्या?
आप सेंड इट ऑन दी चैट, आप वो ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, तो कमांड के ऊपर वाले को शिफ्ट कमांड एंड F5. नहीं, कमांड का ऊपर वाला आइकन कैसे पकड़ा जाएगा?
शिफ्ट दबाते हुए या कंट्रोल दबाते हुए.
कंट्रोल तो,
मैकबुक ना, तो इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं है ठीक से.
कंट्रोल तो लिखा ही नहीं है ऋषि ने.
तो CMND है ना वहाँ पे, CMND बटन.
Yeah, somebody else help me now. Rishi, can you click the photograph from your screen and share it with us?
Yeah, I've done it already.
Perfect, Bharti. Thank you. So I will learn it after this class. Yes. Who wants to share their experience with me? Mr. Sriram?
Myself, Anita.
Okay. Hi, Anita. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, Saturday we have a Lions Club meet.
Huh?
So on the weighing scale, it is not much difference. But everyone was praising, you are looking so energetic, you are looking so slimmer. Then I was very happy.
Wow,
On
wow.
Saturday this.
And you are sure वो आपको मक्खन वैसे ही नहीं लगा रहे थे?
नहीं नहीं, 100% श्योर.
क्या बात है?
जब मैंने अपने फोटोग्राफ देखे तो मुझे भी लगा यस वाओ.
Yes, good, good. Right. और कौन शेयर करेगा? वेरी नाइस. नो, दिस प्रोग्राम इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. हमें लगता है कि पता नहीं हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इससे क्या चेंज आएगा, but it does impact positively in a lot sense. Yes, Lalita.
Okay.
Doctor, I wanted to say that a few things. I never knew that I would be able to stay off sweets for 3 weeks without going dizzy. I love sweets. And before this, I was following the Sharon diet where we are allowed dates and figs, etc. So we make sweet with natural sweeteners. In your diet, I couldn't even touch a raisin or a date. I thought I'd go bonkers, but I didn't. So that was a discovery for me.
Okay.
I also wanted to share that going off wheat and dairy, going off dairy I have done earlier, going off wheat for such a long time I had not done. And I thought that going off wheat and dairy will ease the bloating and gas which I had earlier. And amazingly, it didn't so much. I did have the gas for quite some time. So that was a discovery for me. I don't know why. But later on, I kind of stopped the rice also and used more of millets. And that's when I saw a shift in my digestion, and my digestion improved and the gas and bloating reduced. So for me,
So what could be the reason for that?
yes. So for me, that was a discovery. One thing that I could stay off sweet for so long. Number two, carbohydrate. Millets is working better for me.
Right. So what could be the reason for that, Lalita?
I have no idea actually. I mean, I don't know. I just think I actually don't know why it's happening like that.
2-3 things.
And
One, maybe you have high level of toxins, because rice also have very high level of toxins, right? And when you have,
toxins?
yeah.
Okay.
Right. So maybe your body is not able to handle that, and millets are the best, foods which is there. So that could be one.
Right.
Second could be you have infection in the gut, right? Which get feeded by wheat and rice, but millets generally don't feed any infection.
Right.
Third could be your sugar levels. किसी के पीछे से बहुत आवाज आ रही है. I request you, if you think you are making some kind of noise, please silent yourself. Keep yourself on mute, क्योंकि ना उससे बिल्कुल distraction हो जाती है, mind ही नहीं focus करता. हाँ. Third could be, Lalita, your sugar levels. I don't know what they are right now. What are your insulin levels? But millets क्या करते हैं, उसको बहुत अच्छे से control करते हैं.
हाँ जी. So that can affect the digestion also.
तो जब हम 1-to-1 करें उस टाइम पे let's discuss more.
Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing I want to
Yes,
share
that can
with
affect
you
digestion
is,
also.
हाँ, antibiotics जब मैंने लिया था अभी recently, I told you about that episode of nosebleed, and I had to take antibiotics for 5 days. That has screwed up my. It has made me constipated very badly.
So that could be another reason for your bloating also not settling with your this thing. So 2 things. One, start your introduction 3 days or 4 days from now. थोड़ी late तक continue. I will tell you what foods now we have to introduce, no, from tomorrow.
ठीक है. Okay.
यार किसी के बहुत आवाज आ रही है जो कि बहुत ही irritating है.
हाँ, आ रही है डॉक्टर.
है ना, प्लीज साइलेंट योरसेल्फ अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपके एंड से आ रही है. And second, book the last consultation, Lalita, if that's possible for you.
Okay, I'll book it immediately.
ठीक है, last book करना. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Bharti.
Dr. Preeti, so thank you so much. It's been a wonderful journey. I never knew I could, like Lalita has said, that stay off sweets, stay off my beloved coffee, though of course I've taken some black coffee with coconut milk and badam milk. So that is there. And then I stayed off wheat for such a long time. Bread is a favorite item of mine. Okay. Love bread in all forms. And I stayed off bread for such a long time. I've not lost a lot of weight, but I do feel very light.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, very light. And I'm actually morbidly obese. So I expected that I would lose a lot more weight, but I have not. But that must be my own issues. But I feel very light.
Right. So what's your age, Bharti?
56.
56. So Bharti, menopause में ना hormones का भी हो सकता है weight में, ठीक है? So I will talk about it when we talk 1-to-1. But feeling light means at least your gut has got cleansed.
I think so, but opposite reaction with Lalita. मुझे ये जोहर का रोटी and वगैरह सब ना, it's giving me a lot of bloat and constipation. In fact, I never had a constipation problem before I started. So initial first week वो इसबगोल से हुआ, तो उसको बंद. फिर जब भी मैं ये ज्वार की रोटी खाती हूँ mixed with sama or anything like that, no, even one roti, constipated for about 2 to 3 days. So
एंड व्हेन यू टेक राइस तो नहीं होता?
हाँ नहीं, राइस खा रही हूँ, कभी कभी रेड राइस, कभी कभी वरी राइस, बट उससे भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, आज भी वही हालत है. सो द थिंग इज दैट आई एम एबल टू नॉट ईट ओवर एंड ओवर. सो द मोमेंट आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग दिस ब्लोट एंड which I've been feeling for the last 3-4 days now, I naturally reduce my eating, but I have not found the weight reduction. But overall, I feel a sense of victory because I'm able to, control my pangs of hunger, or not the hunger, it's greed. Okay. So I'm able to actually let the messages from my stomach come to me rather than from my tongue.
तो भारती एक बार इंट्रोडक्शंस कर लो,
हाँ.
तब हमें समझ में आएगा कि क्या हमें मिल्क से एलर्जी तो नहीं है. बिकॉज पीपल विद मिल्क एलर्जी, मिल्क हेल्प्स देम नॉट टू बी कॉन्स्टिपेटेड.
Okay. Intriguing. Wow.
हाँ, है ना. सो इट्स द चैलेंज विद दिस प्रोग्राम ओनली इज कि हम सोचते हैं यार ऐसा जवाब होना चाहिए, पर अंदर बॉडी इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है कि ऐसा जवाब नहीं हो सकता,
सही बात है.
है ना. यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग थिंग्स.
It is like the small intestine. इतना convoluted है, ऐसा बॉडी.
सिर्फ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट जितना है, अगर उसको फैलाओगे तो.
Correct. It's
Right?
around 15 feet long, I heard.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So let's introduce foods and then you will have more insights. Constipation क्यों हो रहा है?
But overall sense of victory, Dr. Preeti. Thank you so much.
Perfect, thank you. So you can achieve anything now.
Yes, I have listened to my tongue all along. Now I listen to my stomach and listen to my mind.
Wow, that's a great transformation. Yes,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
very good. Who else will want to speak something?
Ma'am,
मैं
may I?
बोलूंगी.
हाँ, गोगिया.
Yeah, ma'am. Overall, like I've reduced 2 kgs of weight,
Okay.
and even like they are the possibilities that there are inch losses have been there because I got a compliment from my husband and from my son too.
In 3 weeks, if that can happen, anybody would love to get them, right?
though I had that episode of antibiotics
Right, right.
and all that, but still means energy level is yet not, I have not achieved that energy level.
We will look at your energy levels when we talk. ठीक है? Perfect है जी, done. But 2 kgs weight loss in 3 weeks despite taking antibiotics. ठीक है? Clearly tells me कि gut को तो राहत मिली है.
And ma'am, I'm like a 2-hour eating person, and my is like 12 o'clock is something what my stomach, 12 in the noon and 7 in the evening. They are like, my stomach gives me the alarm that this is 12, this is 7. So I want something or the other thing to eat at this hour.
Okay?
Every 2 hours. And if I don't eat, then I used to develop the stomach ache. But now subsequently, I'm into 16 hours of intermittent fasting.
Hmm.
And I'm taking only 2 meals. Sometimes, if possible, if I'm not busy with my court hours, then at 12 o'clock I'm taking the fruit meal, or else I'm taking just 2 meals in the entire day on liquid.
Wow. And now you're not having that feeling in your gut कि जलन हो रही है या कुछ हो रहा है.
So sometimes acidity ये aspect सब हो जाता है, but it's fine. Means I can have it that 16 hours wala.
But that's amazing because over the period 3 महीने 6 महीने में you will see that it will work wonders for you and your health. If you can continue with 16 hours fasting, it's really going to help you.
But ma'am, now as if like what 2 hours wala I was a person, and then they say that if we starve ourselves, then it is going to damage. So is this thing is going to affect? Because I'm just taking 2 meals and I'm not feeling even at times.
2 meals are good for us these days. Honestly speaking, I eat 4 times a day and I'm really looking forward कि यार मैं कब 2 meals करूं. And the simple logic is that, you know, every time we eat something, the pancreas have to release insulin. The body has to do a lot of work to make sure that whatever we have eaten gets to the right places. So 2 meals a day, complete balanced meals if you are taking, you are staying well hydrated. No deficiencies can happen unless you have any other problem in your body. So you can continue with that, nothing will happen. In fact, you will keep on becoming healthier and healthier day by day.
And ma'am, one last question, like, for example, if we are practicing the 60 hours wala, and sometimes like, you know, once in a week, if we are going out, or then it is going to imbalance, or
No, the rule is 5 to 2, 5 days fasting, 2 days don't fast. Everybody wants to go out and have a weekend. Your body also loves weekends, so no guilt. 5 to 2 is the ratio I generally tell my clients to follow. And there are a lot of studies on that. So 5 दिन 16 घंटे फास्टिंग करो और 2 दिन 10 घंटे 12 घंटे करो तो जिंदगी अच्छी चलती है. ठीक है. Yes, Shriram ji, I see you have raised your hand. Please. You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Shriram. Yes, Mr. Shriram, you have to unmute yourself. Yes, Mr. Shriram.
Doctor, first of all, good evening.
Good evening.
Very outside, I must tell you, doctor, that from the first week onwards,
We've lost you. Yes, we can hear you again.
accumulation of gas. Hello?
Huh?
Accumulation of gas in the lower abdomen, belching and bloating problems, and belching and burping, and hyperacidity in the center of my stomach, and distended stomach. And the second thing is, doctor, very much I have this craving for sweet. So I succumb to the temptation of having sugar-free cream biscuit, doctor.
So you are doing double murder.
Yes.
Tell me how.
I know.
How?
I followed it.
How are you doing double murder?
Wheat and
Because
sugar.
I'm taking what I'm not supposed to take.
No. That is all right, यार. Cheating चलता है. But double murder कैसे हुआ इस चीज में? 2 बार मार रहे हो अपने आप को. How is that happening now? Somebody has to tell me that.
Cream and sugar, both.
Yeah, wheat and sugar.
He said sugar free. Sugar I don't mind. If you succumb to sugar, ठीक है यार, कोई बात नहीं. You are a human being. But if you succumb to sugar free biscuit, which is sweet, has sugar free.
Right.
That tells me that you don't love your memory, sir.
You don't love your
Memory.
memory.
If you want to lose your memory, please continue eating sugar free stuff.
Memory.
That is-
What do you mean by memory?
Yadash, you will not be able to recognize me tomorrow if you see me somewhere.
the side effects of sugar free.
Exactly. And
Does
second, Shriram.
it cause
Yes,
memory
it causes memory loss for all of you. If you think sugar free is your way to go, it's a complete no. Second murder which you have done, Mr. Shriram, is having biscuits.
Wow.
Whenever fat with sugar free or sugar is baked at high temperatures, it becomes trans fat,
Yes,
right?
that causes.
And what are trans fats? For me, what does it cause?
It causes.
What does it
cholesterol
cause?
buildup.
No,
Cholesterol
it
increase.
causes cancer. It causes cancer.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Okay.
So for all of you, trans fat is equal to cancer. मुझे यही समझ आया है सारी साइंस पढ़कर.
Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है? So Mr. Shriram, see, it is not about giving away to cravings. It is not about doing something which you are not allowed. It is about up to 16 पे जा रहे हो. The whole purpose of this detox gets done with,
Totally defeated.
completely defeated, Mr. Sriram. Completely defeated. It would have been nice if you would have asked me and I could have told you, you can have dates, you can have kishmish, right? You can have normal sugar, 2 teaspoon. I would have been happier.
Correct. Very good.
Okay. So, please, Mr. Sriram. And second, Mr. Sriram, I want to tell you, if you are feeling cravings for sugar, okay, we will do a consultation. I'll tell you exactly. Start with chromium supplementation. It might help you a lot. Diabetics generally are deficient in chromium, and chromium leads to sugar cravings.
Oh, I see.
Second thing which leads to sugar cravings is low level of cortisol, which is a hormone, which is a stress hormone. If you have low cortisol, you need salt, you need sugar, and it comes in so much of cravings that you're not able to control it.
Oh, I see.
Find the reason and then make good choices. If not best, at least good. Between good and best, you can keep moving and you will be good, Mr. Sriram.
Okay.
Okay.
Doctor, my craving is not for salt as much as for sugar. I have gone without salt for
Chromium could be the cause.
Oh, I see.
Or high stress. Whenever you will feel stress. So I've spoken to you on phone also. I know you think a lot. You think a lot. The more you think, the more glucose your brain needs. And the more glucose your brain needs, it will tell you, grab this biscuit, grab this chocolate, grab this junk, and give me energy.
I understand, doctor.
So try to, so whenever you know that you are going to be a little stressed, right? Like I know in last sessions, I become emotional, right? So I generally keep this glass of ginger and cinnamon water with me. This is not a glass, actually, this is a big cup. Because otherwise my mind will ask for energy and I will want to eat chocolates. Okay. Hope this helps you. We will take one more experience from somebody who is going to share that. Yes, Umaji. Yes, Karnit, you say, and then Umaji.
So I was just asking, there is a allergy test also, like for the dairy and for the gluten. So will that not suffice? I mean,
so two things. One, that doesn't suffice because it is not 100% accurate. ठीक है 100% accurate तो नहीं, but जो best test है इसमें वो ImmuPro का है, which is I told you 44,000 rupees. ठीक है, doesn't make sense. Second, अगर वो आ भी जाता है ना, हमारा माइंड उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता, सोचता रहता है ये गलत होगा, तो we never quit foods 100% of the time. But now, if in introduction phase your body reacts, I promise you, you will not want to eat that food at least for next 3 years. तो it is like छोटे बच्चे का ना जब तक हाथ नहीं जलता वो गर्म आग के पास जाता रहता है. Yes or no?
Yes.
एक बार ही हाथ जल जाए उसके बाद जाता है क्या? Never ना? ऐसे ही हम भी हैं. We all human beings are like that.
So if suppose you are allergic, so it will be for lifelong that you have to quit?
No. So there are phases. In fact, in second session, I did discuss that. There is intolerance, जब हमने gluten की बात की थी, ठीक है? There is gut irritability, जिसकी वजह से we are getting responses. There is celiac disease, अगर gluten की हम बात करें, है ना? तो there are different ranges. अगर celiac है तो almost 90% हमेशा ही off जाना पड़ेगा. Any of these two, you heal your gut and then introduce the food, you will be fine. But healing the gut is a 6 months to 2 years process.
Oh.
But it is not a because पूरी उम्र नहीं तो ये तो और बढ़ता ही जाना है ना, तो मरता क्या ना करता करना तो पड़ेगा ही. Right? Yes, उमा जी.
देखिए मैंने जब आपका ये ज्वाइन किया तो मैंने शुरू का इनिशियल हाफ पोर्शन नहीं अटेंड किया था.
ओके.
और हाफ अटेंड किया.
ठीक है.
जब मैंने सुना तो मुझे ये लगा कि मुझे दूध से बहुत एलर्जी है.
ओके.
क्योंकि द मोमेंट आई टेक मिल्क आई गेट लॉट ऑफ गैस एंड बर्प्स.
ओके.
तो मैंने सोचा कि देखते हैं गट क्लींजिंग करके कि क्या होता है.
वाओ,
दैट वाज
वेरी
माय ऑब्जेक्ट इनिशियली.
ठीक है.
फिर लास्ट 1 ईयर में मैंने 8 kg वेट लूज किया विद नेचुरोपैथी एंड अदर थिंग.
ओके.
My weight was 72 and 73.
ओके.
And then it was 65, 66. It was coming in between like that.
ठीक है.
तो मुझे लगा कि मेरा वेट भी नहीं कम होगा ये करने से.
हाँ, ठीक है.
I lost 3 kg. I started from 65.5 and today my weight is 62.5.
तो मतलब you are with the perfect weight now.
So yeah, नहीं, not perfect. Still I need 2.5 less.
अच्छा.
60 होना चाहिए.
ठीक है, दिल मांगे मोर अभी भी है, but very good performance.
It is like this, you know, a woman can never have enough money, enough weight loss. She always craves more money and more weight loss.
नहीं, because my height is 5 feet. That's why I'm saying.
5, yes. Then you should be 58, 59.
Yeah,
But-
that's why I'm saying.
But this is very amazing, Mrs. Uma, that 3 kgs you could lose when you had lost already so much weight in the
Yeah.
last few months.
हाँ.
है ना? Which is clear conclusion of that you have some allergy in your body and you will get to know it this week.
और मैं कर्ड नहीं खाती थी because I always used to have cough and cold.
Okay.
पर इस probiotic week में I had enough curd and I
Okay.
didn't have cold and cough.
क्या बात है. तो एक फूड आइटम कर्ड जैसा अच्छा प्रोबायोटिक आइटम आपकी डाइट में वापस आ गया.
हाँ. और कांजी मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पी.
वाव वाव. एंड आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
तो यार उमा जी एक बात बताओ मुझे, फिर तो आपकी एनर्जी भी बड़ी लगी होगी. जिनको प्रोबायोटिक से दिक्कत नहीं होती उनको बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है.
हाँ, मेरा एनर्जी लेवल तो बहुत 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 बढ़ गया और मैं दोपहर में 1 घंटे सोती थी, वो सोना बंद हो गया मेरा.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी. थैंक यू उमा जी फॉर शेयरिंग दिस. Anybody who has lost 2 kgs or more, can you write your name in the chat box? Yes, Vanna ji. Anybody 2 kgs and more, chat box में अपना नाम और कितने kgs weight loss हुआ है. So you all know हम YouTube live करते हैं, जो कि हम इस फ्राइडे को करेंगे. फ्राइडे को या कल नहीं, फ्राइडे को करेंगे शाम को 5 बजे. I will send an invite to the winners. Please share your weight loss and your name in the chat box. Yes. Wow, I see some real good success things here. Anita has lost 2.5. Parth has lost 2.5. Bharti 2 kgs. Lalita 2 kgs. 3.5 kgs Vinita. Wow. Wow, Vinita. Wow. Ria 2.5. Very good. So you can keep writing and perfect.
हिड़वी सर तप्पड़ भी.
Perfect. Dana ji, so I will now share my screen.
Ma'am, sorry.
Bolo.
Ma'am, you said that to clean a gut, it will take 6 months to 2 years
To heal.
to heal. So, like, suppose if we have something, because 2 years or 6 months is a very long period, knowingly, unknowingly, we will be consuming one thing or the other thing. So then it is again going to interrupt.
No. You do schooling for 12 years, 14 years, 15 years. Don't you follow the curriculum religiously because you know you have to pass the exam?
But ma'am, this is something like, you know, here there are so many of hidden contents, ingredients are there in this. So unknowingly we may be consuming.
I work with so many patients on 6 months and 1 year programs. They are more particular than I am. जब एक बारी मक्खी दिख जाती है तो कोई नहीं खाता.
So they all are not eating all these no foods?
No, till the time they heal themselves, not at all. Even if I tell them you can eat, they say, "Nana, Dr. Preeti, ऐसे नहीं करो."
Because I used to eat egg every alternate days.
I know, so they don't do it because they're very clear. यार हर महीने डॉक्टर प्रीति आप पैसे इतने ले लेते हो, जल्दी ठीक करो, बाद में खा लेंगे.
तो eggs में क्या problem है?
एग्स बहुत एलर्जी करते हैं, एग्स बहुत एलर्जी करते हैं, दे आर वेरी एलर्जिक फूड्स. इवन नाउ कुकुम्बर इज कमिंग इन एलर्जिक फूड्स, बट एग तो बहुत एलर्जिक है, बहुत एलर्जिक है एग फूड. और हम लोग जो खाते हैं वो तो बेकार है बिल्कुल. कड़कनाथ के अंडे खाओ, वो बेटर है थोड़े.
नहीं, पर खाली येलो योक नहीं खाने का ना, व्हाइट तो
नहीं, येलो योक क्यों नहीं खाने का? सारा माल तो उसी में, ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ऑल विटामिन, वो फेंक दोगे तो करोगे क्या? खाली भूसा खाना है, क्या फायदा?
once a week can we eat?
From tomorrow you're going to eat everything. Yeah, wait, I'm going to introduce everything for you now. You have done your struggle now. Just be here with me and see. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to tell you how to introduce. 6 months की जब बारी आएगी तब बात करेंगे ना, पहले ये हफ्ता तो करो. ठीक है जी, डन है जी. आ जाओ, देखते हैं अभी इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे करनी है. 1 step at a time करेंगे. Okay, so can you see my slides?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Very good, because last time हमारी गड़बड़ हो गई थी ना. And okay, yes. So first of all of you can pat your backs and clap for yourself that you have done amazing work for your body in the last 3 weeks. जोर से आवाज आनी चाहिए ताली की. तुम लोगों को. Perfect. So, see, you have done the best part and the most difficult part, that was staying away from such lovely foods which we are used to. ठीक है जी. अब हमको क्या करना है? अब हमको उन foods को एक एक करके, one by one, we have to introduce them in our diet. And please, next 10 minutes are very, very, very critical. Listen to me very properly. You will make a list of food which you are craving the most. So in fact, all of you can send in the chat box, what is the food you want to eat tomorrow morning?
Regular milk coffee, Dr. Bharati. No?
Yes, write in the chat box. Your choice. You have to write what food you want to introduce tomorrow morning. Gobi ka prantha, or coffee with regular milk, whatever you want to have. And what is it that you will introduce second? What is it that you will introduce third? Pehle 3 foods which you are craving to eat are very key. So write those 3 foods. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 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 wow. Chocolate cake, Lalita. Wow. Oranges, sugar, noodles, pasta, chicky, nuts. Wheat rotis. Okay, perfect. So you will introduce that food tomorrow or day after. Okay? Okay, I'm not giving you this. Yes. When you introduce one food, for example, you've introduced milk, right? Because milk coffee is milk. You will drink it in the morning. You will have something of milk in the evening, and you will do it for 2 days. Same food item, 2 days, twice a day. Because it is the quantity which irritates. So if you will only have it once, you will think, oh, मुझे तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Whereas now your gut is so clean that you will get to know once you eat right quantity. किसी के आवाज आ रही है फिर से, if that person can mute. ये थोड़ा सा हमें हाइजीन ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Somebody is unmuted जहां पे कि हमें बहुत आवाज आ रही है. Okay, so first is you have to choose one food which you will introduce tomorrow morning or day after tomorrow. You will eat that food 2 times a day for 2 days. And you will note for symptoms, right? So what will happen? क्या symptoms हो सकते हैं? You can have rashes, you can have changes in skin. For example, you can have dry skin, you can have, itchy skin. Anything can happen. You can have joint pains. You can have headache or migraines. You can feel fatigued, sleepy. You can find it very difficult to go to sleep. You can feel jittery, you can feel irritated. You can feel changes in breathing. You can feel bloating, stomach pain, crampings, or change in bowel habits. Anything you feel, make a mention, make a note. Supposing you've had wheat chapati twice and you feel very, very bloated. Don't continue with the wheat chapati next day. Come back on your week 3 diet for 2 days. Right? And then introduce the second food. So, jab bhi, whenever you will introduce any food, you have to be clean, you have to be feeling good and happy, the way you are feeling right now. Right? So, if you experience no symptoms during the period when you introduce a food group, you can assume that food is good to go, no problems, you can introduce it in your daily routine, and you can move to the next food group. If you feel some symptoms have been triggered, then you will go back to your old diet for 2 days and then introduce the new food. And all of you must introduce new foods. Why? Because right now your gut is cleaner than ever before. इतना साफ शीशा मुझे नहीं लगता पिछले कुछ सालों में हुआ है. ठीक है, तो इसमें जरूर इंट्रोडक्शन करके ये जानो क्या आप वो फूड खा रहे हो विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू गेट एनर्जी, या you are eating that food which actually takes away all your energy. Right? This is an opportunity. You've done this hard work of 3 weeks to know whether you are feeding your body right or wrong. So now this week is that opportunity for you to get to know it. So be excited and do it very religiously. Right? And I think this is about introduction. Any questions on introduction, friends, before I go anywhere?
Doctor, if we have tea, for example, this
Yes.
is Kathy here.
Yeah.
So we'll be having sugar and normal milk. So I shouldn't be doing that, right?
Yeah, introduce sugar separately and milk separately.
Acha, so
और जब आप milk करो तो आप tea करो, normal milk करो.
yeah, so
Okay.
if I have almond milk tea, maybe I can have with normal sugar first.
Yes. And then you will have to add something sugary in the afternoon also, next day morning also, and next to next day morning also.
That's what, that's okay. I got it. Thank you.
Yes. Yes,
And
Lalit.
even I'm sorry. Can I say?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Should I also introduce?
And who is this?
Karnit.
Karnit.
Sorry.
Haan. So Karnit, do introduce, because right now you don't know what foods are irritating you. You have just been doing it because you think that it will help you.
Mm-hmm.
है ना?
No, but gluten, as I told you, I was on gluten diet for the past 3 months.
Gluten
It's
free,
just the
na?
sugar. It's just the sugar and the
But
dairy
it
that
doesn't matter. But 2-3 months you were not taking gluten, but you've never introduced it to check how does your body react to gluten.
Okay.
You just quit gluten because somebody told you your rashes
Yeah.
will go away with gluten.
Yeah, exactly.
है ना? So जब तक symptoms say you are listening to it. But if I ask you, Karnit, does gluten actually irritate your gut? Do you feel anything different when you eat gluten? You don't know. है ना? And now for 3 weeks you are on a clean gut. You have not been eating any irritating food, more or less. है ना? Because we removed the most allergic foods, all of them in one go. So introduce all foods.
So should I stop my anti-allergies? Because till the time I don't stop the medicine,
नहीं
how
नहीं
will
नहीं. You always
symptom
keep
आएगा
asking me
कैसे?
that. नहीं, वो तो करके देखो ना. अगर एंटी एलर्जिक के साथ भी, यार एंटी एलर्जिक लेके भी लोग इतनी तकलीफ से घूमते रहते हैं. अगर एंटी एलर्जिक से सब कुछ सॉर्ट होता हर लेवल पर, तो एलर्जी की प्रॉब्लम कोई रखता ही नहीं. बिकॉज एंटी एलर्जीज आर सेफ. People can take it for 3 years at a stretch with no problem. I have a patient right now who is on 3 anti-allergics and she has all problems of food allergy. So I don't want you, because you don't know what is your situation without anti-allergics. देखो आपको कंपेयर किससे करना है? एक बेसलाइन से करना है ना. आपकी बेसलाइन वो है जो आज शाम को है. Without changing any other situation, you have to change the food. If you change 2 parameters at the same go, you will not know whom to give credit or discredit to. And this is for all of you. Please keep the situation exactly same as it is right now. And then introduce foods and see what happens. Because then Karnit, if we have to know for you कि यार एंटी एलर्जिक के बिना क्या होता है, तो हमें पहले तुम्हें बिना एंटी एलर्जिक के 15 दिन रखना है. एंड वो मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैं तो धीरे धीरे करके स्टेप करूंगी.
But I don't know whether it's a good news or not. But in spite of the fact that last time when we had a one-to-one call, I told you I want to reduce my anti-allergy. You said no strictly, but somehow my inner self said that let me just reduce it to 1.
ठीक है.
So I did it. I mean, it's been I think 4 days. 4 days हो गया हम लोग की call को. So it's been 4 to 5 days. So I am sustaining on one anti-allergy.
Very good. So that clearly tells me कि कोई ना कोई फूड एलर्जी तो है ही अंदर, है ना. बट वही ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करके होना पड़ेगा. आप एक पैरामीटर चेंज करो. तुमने 2 से 1 किया, गुड. अगर तुम बाद में इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हो तो 1 को बंद करके 1 वीक सेटल करो अपने आप को बिना एंटी एलर्जिक के.
Okay.
ठीक है. पॉइंट इज यू कैन नॉट चेंज 2 पैरामीटर्स एट 1 go. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. एंड जब एंटी एलर्जिक बंद होनी होती है ना, तो अपने आप बॉडी बताती है कि यार मैं ओवरडोजिंग कर रही हूं, कम कर लेती हूं मैं. एंड दैट्स गुड न्यूज. नो दैट्स गुड न्यूज. इफ यू हैव बीन एबल टू कम फ्रॉम 2 to 1, आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज दैट क्लियरली टेल्स मी कि कुछ तो गट में भी प्रॉब्लम है और कुछ तो फूड में भी एलर्जी है. ठीक है. तो यू हैव 2 choices. 1, introduce foods as it is from tomorrow and do it and see what happens. Otherwise, for 1 week, stop this anti-allergic and see symptoms वापस तो नहीं आ रहे. And then introduce foods. I leave the choice to you because you know your body the best. पूरा दिन रात तुम उस पे जी रही हो. ठीक है.
Exactly.
But good news, very good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, even if 1 anti-allergic less means a lot.
Yeah, of course.
Good.
Thanks.
Yes, Lalita, you wanted to say something.
Yes, Dr. Ji, there is 3 broad categories. One is dairy, one is wheat, and one is sugar, which we have been avoiding. And while introducing, we have to introduce one at a time, you said, right?
Yes. No, you've been avoiding oranges. You've been avoiding eggs if you eat eggs.
Yeah, I also til and peanuts and cashew nuts.
Yes, you have to introduce peanuts separately.
So each of these categories separately.
So point is, as I said, जो first 3 आपकी cravings होंगी ना, majorly उन्हीं से आपको allergy होगी. Because foods which make you allergic, actually they create that inflammatory state in your body, which is warm, which is heated, that your body starts loving it. उसको उसकी आदत पड़ जाती है. So it is like cocaine or drugs which we take. तो आप जिस भी फूड को क्रेव करो तो सो आई रियली लव इट व्हेन आई टेल पीपल यार किस चीज को क्रेव करो, कहते हैं इसको, और 2 दिन में कहते हैं डॉक्टर साहब पहले ही ठीक था, ये क्या करा दिया मेरा. क्योंकि आप द मोमेंट जिस फूड को आप सबसे पहले इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो ना, वही गड़बड़ करने वाला है. अगर पहले 3 ने गड़बड़ नहीं की तो खुशी खुशी सब खा पाओगे. ठीक है. बट इंट्रोडक्शन कैन टेक इवन 1 month. बी पेशेंट. Now your ground is ready. ठीक है. Introduce one at a time. जिसमें symptoms आए 2 दिन वापस week 3 डाइट पे जाओ या week 2 या week 1 पे क्लीन करो गट को, फिर वापस आओ.
ठीक है.
Karnit, you have made my day actually, but I must tell you that I'm extremely happy to hear this.
Yeah, actually.
When you're doing online now, you have to be safe than sorry. So I don't take any risk.
Very true.
Right, but good. I'm very happy about that. ठीक है Lalita.
And one more thing. Is it okay if I am okay if I leave wheat forever? So is it okay? Like, I mean,
you must know whether you are leaving it because you are okay with it or it creates problem in your body. At least मुझे पता होना चाहिए मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ कुछ. मैं मस्ती के लिए कर रही हूँ या मेरा कोई पर्पस है. मैं ऐसे डिसीजन नहीं ले सकती, बाकी तुम्हारी चॉइस है.
But it's supposed to be healthier also. कि आजकल gluten में gluten में वैसे भी wheat में there's lot of this
I
thing,
agree. तो
complications.
राइस में कितना है आर्सेनिक है, कितना ज्यादा हेवी मेटल टॉक्सिसिटी कर रहा है राइस, फिर तो तुम बहुत कुछ बंद कर देंगे ना. व्हीट एक गरीब बंदे का हेल्दीएस्ट फूड है विद लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन इट. अगर उसका गट उसको डाइजेस्ट कर पा रहा है, एग्री बहुत पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं, ग्लाइफोसेट हमें डायबिटिक बनाता जा रहा है, हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ खराब आ रहा है, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. बट वी हैव टू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज नॉर्थ इंडियंस, राइट, that's our staple food for last so many years, so our body is used to it. For example, non-vegetarians should eat non-veg. अगर उनके जनरेशन से अब आप बोंग को बोलोगे यार तू नॉनवेज फिश खानी छोड़ दे, वीगन बन जा, इससे बड़ी बेवकूफी नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. Sorry, because I feel your body is used to a certain type of food. That's the type of genes you get. That's the type of process which has been developed in your body. So what your generations have been eating, that makes sense. ठीक है, तो मेरे हिसाब से you should have a reason. And you should know the reason. ठीक है, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली तुझे छोड़ना पड़ेगा अभी जब तक तेरा गट नहीं हील होगा. फॉर योर सिम्टम्स आई एम 110% श्योर कुछ ना कुछ तो है. 2 दिन इंट्रोड्यूस करो, देखो तो सही होता क्या. ठीक है, एंड दैट यू कैन ट्राई. अभी करना है, नेक्स्ट वीक करना है, यू कैन मेक दैट चॉइस. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी?
Doctor,
यस वन्ना.
Doctor, what about lifers? Do we have to take it now?
So if you have to take it, you have to take it latest by tomorrow before introducing your foods.
Okay, okay.
इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद लाइफर्स का मीनिंग नहीं रह जाएगा.
ओ अच्छा.
ठीक है, तो आप लोग ले लो. मैं अभी एक ना लाइफर्स खोल लेती हूँ. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me and I am happy to answer.
Yeah, Bharti, doctor, just wanted to ask you, black coffee is itself not a forbidden food, no? Because I had it with badam.
No. It's not a forbidden food. It helps in changing the gut microbiome towards the positive side.
Okay, because I had in the last 2 days badam coffee and coconut coffee without jaggery or sugar. But I was blaming this bloat and constipation on that bajre and jowar ki roti which I had 2 days back. So I'm not sure whether now it is bajre jowar ki roti or is it because I had coffee.
You know how to do it, Bharti. You know it, na? Come back to your original self. Introduce one thing at a time.
All right. Thank you.
Whenever you have 2 parameters, you always have somebody to put the blame on.
Then here, if we are introducing one component, so then while introducing the second one, do we have to continue with the first one or we have to stop that and we have to continue the second one?
Very good question, and I was waiting for this. You have to stop that. And then continue with the second. You can only have one parameter. And what will happen is quantity बढ़ती जाएगी, so you never know that could just add up to the symptoms.
Very good question.
And remember, whichever food you introduce, have it in good quantity.
Right.
Right, because there is a certain threshold level beyond which you can get angry. एक लेवल तक तो आप टॉलरेट कर ही लेते हो ना.
सही है.
तो आपकी बॉडी का भी, आपकी गट का भी एक थ्रेशोल्ड है. अच्छा, I want to ask you, I had shared a video on vitamin D and what are the factors which affects its absorption in the group. How many of you saw it? It took me 2 hours to make that video, you know.
We'll see it.
So everybody, what you have to do is, one, subscribe to my channel, because I have decided I am going to share a lot of stuff which, will be useful for you henceforth, right? And second, all of you have to listen to that video and leave a comment there so that I know that you have listened to the video.
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Please do that. Vitamin D is an amazing, amazing thing and it can do wonders. It is not a vitamin, it is a pro-hormone and you don't know how much it can affect your gut and your health. So don't take it lightly. I thought all my messages at least you read, yaar.
Ma'am,
पढ़ लेते हैं
Doctor, we saw the latest video on that 9 food items, no, that you have sent recently.
I sent the vitamin D also yesterday, didn't I? I
Yes.
sent the 9 digestive things.
Hey,
If I didn't,
vitamin D, I didn't see. Yeah.
I didn't see vitamin D. I watched your latest video.
Yeah.
of 9
Yeah,
food
I
items.
also.
I will send the vitamin D again now.
Yeah,
Maybe then I've sent it in the other group.
yeah, maybe. Because I didn't see your video.
Right.
That's
But
fine.
do subscribe to the channel so that we get to know क्या हो रहा है. So उमा जी आपकी देख लें रिपोर्ट हम.
ma'am, before we proceed, I have in continuation one more question.
पूछो जी.
As if you said that we have to introduce one food item and then after 2 days we have to stop that. And then we have to introduce the another, or we have to take again a break for at least a day and then introduce.
If you have symptoms, you have to take a break for 2 days, as I told you.
Yes, that.
If you have no symptoms, you can add the next food the very next day.
Ma'am, when you have said that in a huge quantity, so how that quantity has to be decided? Because we would be consuming only the required thing which.
So if you have chapati, wheat chapati, at least have 2 or 3 chapatis in a day. अगर एक बार एक लोगे तो एक बार 2 लेना. है ना? Similarly, when you're introducing milk, make sure at least you get to do 2 cups of milk in a day in any form. In coffee, in tea, in maybe, kheer or whatever you want to do with milk. Right? I cook some vegetables in milk, so maybe I can do that too. So at least 2 cups of milk a day.
Doctor, I have one more doubt. So if we have done the lipase test today in the morning and now I send the report, last time we had sent for 2 days, 4 reports actually.
You can send me one also. That's all right.
is enough for 2 days.
1 or 2. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So Uma ji, this is what we had on 30th of November for you. So of course metabolic problem दिख रही है थोड़ी. But उसके अलावा जो important चीज है ना उमा जी. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can.
Good. ये देखो बॉस अपना. हाँ. एक minute. Yes. So all of this is right. No stress at all.
Oh, good.
At least जब ये कराया था तब. ठीक है?
Very nice.
Yes. And the only thing which I can see here is no anxiety. You are pretty good with anxiety and all. That's all right. एक metabolic health अच्छी नहीं आई है इसमें. दूसरा heart rate बहुत high आया है. By any chance are you an hypertensive?
Yeah, I am hypertensive.
हा. बताया नहीं था ना?
मैंने बताया था.
अच्छा ठीक है जी. ओके. एंड यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ये आया है कि एक तो डिहाइड्रेशन आई है थोड़ी. मे बी वाटर इनटेक कम हो रहा है या वाटर बॉडी में एटलीस्ट नहीं बच रहा है. स्लीप में थोड़ा सा आया है इशू.
स्लीप में मुझे ड्रीम्स आती हैं.
हाँ, तो दैट इट हैज शोन दैट स्लीप की क्वालिटी वुड नॉट बी दैट गुड, राइट? सो ये याद रखना. आई टेल यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर ड्रीम्स. है ना? एंड इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रिमेम्बर कि 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशन में आप मुझे याद करा दो.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. एंड थर्ड, आपको गुस्सा आता है क्या उमा जी?
हाइपरटेंशन की वजह से.
हाँ, तो इसमें आपका बड़ा क्लियर सा आया है स्लीप, एंगर एंड डिहाइड्रेशन. So the one thing which you can start doing immediately is start drinking water, but sip by sip.
वो तो जब आपने कहा कि पानी खाने की तरह लेना है तो मैं वैसे ही ले रही हूँ अब.
बस, तो फिर ये पहली रिपोर्ट है आपकी. अब मैं आपकी दूसरी रिपोर्ट खोलती हूँ. ठीक है जी. अब मैं आपकी खोलती हूँ 15 दिसंबर वाली रिपोर्ट. खोल रही हूँ. ओके. तो अब क्या हुआ है? तो ये टाइम फर्क था क्या जब आपने ये वाला किया था?
जो आज किया है? हाँ, क्योंकि आज तो लंच ब्रेकफास्ट 12 बजे खाना था तो 11:30 को किया था.
ओके, ठीक है. तो बेसिकली इसमें डिहाइड्रेशन तो इसमें भी आई है.
But I am taking lot of liquids.
So कई बार क्या होता है ना, बॉडी में भी इज नॉट एबल टू रिटेन इट और समथिंग.
हाँ, ये है क्योंकि frequent urination होता है मुझे.
तो आपने अपना इंसुलिन चेक कराया?
नहीं, इंसुलिन तो नहीं चेक करवाया मैंने.
चलो कंसल्टेशन में बात करते हैं. ये भी ध्यान रखना, सिम्टम्स, फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन बताना है आपने मुझे, स्लीप का बताना है, जो स्लीप में थॉट्स आते हैं, और बीपी का बताना है. ठीक है ना. एंड हाँ, तो यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस था जब आपने ये वाला किया है,
जो आज किया है. तो आप एक बारी कल दोबारा करना. नहीं, आज तो स्ट्रेस इसलिए था क्योंकि कल मेरे पैर पे गर्म पानी गिर गया.
हाँ, बिकॉज आज एंजाइटी भी आई है.
हाँ, तो मैं जल गई थी, तो बहुत बुरी तरह जल गई मैं पैर पे. पर मुझे इतनी एंजाइटी नहीं, पता नहीं, मुझे लगा रहे इसमें भी कुछ भला होगा.
हाँ नहीं, बट बॉडी ने एंजाइटी फील की है.
हाँ,
क्योंकि टेस्ट में आई है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, बट रेस्ट वी आर गुड, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. पर ये 2-3 चीजें देख लेंगे हम. ठीक है, सो इट शुड हेल्प अस. हार्ट रेट कम करना है थोड़ा. ठीक है जी, करते हैं. तो यही मेजर ऑब्जर्वेशंस है मेरी आपके लिए. मैं आपकी एक और रिपोर्ट खोलती हूँ, 3 दिसंबर वाली. 1 मिनट. हाँ, तो कभी कभी देखो, स्लीप आपका आ रहा है, मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका आ रहा है, टायर्डनेस आ रही है, ये 3-4 चीजें हमें देखनी है. हाइपरटेंशन है, कॉर्नरी आर्टरी का वो थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट दिखा रहा है. इसकी मैं बात करूंगी आपसे, क्या करेंगे हम. ठीक है, वी शुड बी एबल टू गेट दिस सॉर्टेड.
तो इंसुलिन में मैं फ्री इंसुलिन टेस्ट करवाऊं कि तो ऐसे ही?
मैं आपको हिस्ट्री लेके पूरा बताती हूँ ना, एक बार सैंपल दोगे तो सब करा लेंगे. ठीक है.
ओके, ठीक है.
यस, आई विल टेक वन मोर रिपोर्ट. किसकी लेनी है? नीरव शाह, आर यू ऑनलाइन? नीरव शाह, आर यू ऑनलाइन? नहीं. So
You can take mine, Dr. Rishi.
Rishi, yes, Rishi is here. Let's see Rishi.
Oh, but my recent one is not there because I was not aware I have to do it. So
कोई बात नहीं, you can do it tomorrow. So what I'm seeing here is you are an optimistic person, which I could sense जब मैंने आपसे बात भी की थी. मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ तो बहुत ही टॉस पर है. सो ऋषि, आपकी स्लीप कैसी है?
Before this program, it was very disturbed.
Okay, so this program has helped you with sleep a little?
Yes, it has.
Oh, great. So, and Rishi, can you share your experience of not taking alcohol in this during this program, yaar?
Yeah, so I was taking that regularly. I mean, probably on a daily basis. So after starting this program, I've reduced it to about 2 times a week or so. Because obviously I was recording that as a event whenever I was having that. And definitely with doing away with the food stuff and all, it makes me feel much lighter. I'm sleeping much better because usually when you eliminate alcohol from your routine, your sleep goes for a toss.
Yes.
They say you will not get sleep for a week, for 10 days. People scare you, but it did kind of improve the overall sleep pattern. So, yeah.
Very impressive. Very impressive. So, Rishi, this report shows some tendency towards being hypertensive.
That I am, and a lot of anxiety as well.
Oh, and it also shows that maybe you could be anemic, you could have vitamin B12 deficiency.
Yeah.
You could have something.
We're doing the test on Thursday, so the reports will come. Meanwhile, I'll continue this diet for 2 more days and do the LIFAs and share so that you have all the parameters whenever we do the consultation.
Yes. And this also shows some tiredness.
That I think probably is because of sleep patterns and general stress, work stress, and everything.
Perfect, Rishi. So we will work on that. You can do your repeat thing and share that with us.
Yeah, the heart rate could be high because of the 3 stents that I have, so I'm on the blood thinners maybe because of that. But my heart rate has always been high, so we'll see that when we have the consultation.
But we have to work on that. Rishi, do you exercise at all?
Pre-COVID, I used to walk. Abhi band ho gaya tha beech mein. Now again I've started.
When? Before this lifers or after this lifers?
After this lifers, for about 3 days a week, about 5-6 kilometers. a day.
Because this is showing that you don't exercise at all,
Yeah.
right? Perfect. Let me see in the chat. Perfect. Any other questions for me?
Doctor,
Yes.
one lifers test will be enough, or do we need to have 2 morning, evening?
If you can do 2, that will be better, because you saw in Uma's case, this is a very sensitive test. We might think हम phone पे ही तो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? But so what happens is कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, हमारे सुबह कुछ और मूड होता है, शाम को कुछ और होता है.
Okay.
तो अगर हम 2-3 बार कर लेते हैं तो बैलेंस आउट हो जाती हैं जो सिचुएशनल चेंजेस हो रही होती है हमारी बॉडी के साथ.
Okay.
Do it today also before dinner.
Yes, you can do any 2-3 times जब भी करना है आपको, ताकि थोड़ा सा हम बैलेंस आउट कर लें.
Okay.
ठीक है. So if we are done with questions, I want to end with a small video which I got today, if you all permit. Is that all right?
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect. No, because we have overshooted by 6 minutes, so I thought I will take your permission, and I'm now going to share my screen again. I got this video today and I thought I have to share it. So let me just open it. I'm sure you will be able to relate with this. Wait.
One evening, my father said, farewell. Hear me. One evening, my father said, my son, I'm dying and soon I'll be gone. But before my final farewell, hear me and hear me well. Do whatever you want to do. Have a plan or roll the dice. But one thing is strictly taboo. Please follow my advice. Never Google your symptoms. That is my only prescription. You get 100 diagnoses, a medieval prognosis. Every sign is a serious condition. If you Google cough and diagnosis, you have got tuberculosis. And if you Google fever and red, you've got Ebola and soon will be dead. And if you Google I have a runny nose, it's CSF, your brain is leaking juice. If you Google itch and prognosis, anaphylactic shock or psychosis. Google your symptoms.
You should share this with us.
My
We
sister
share it just in group also.
is Google MD. Please share.
Say, this husband passed away. Autopsy report was very clear. That's from hypochondriac fear. Some Google symptoms. Google your symptoms. Yes, you've got it. Yeah, you've got leukemia. You've got ADHD. Google your symptoms.
Wow.
Funny. Doctor, ALS is also autoimmune disorder, right?
Yes, but point is, I have not seen, so this came in our doctor's group today, and I promise you, I've never seen something so apt. And while I tell you this is because in our 3rd year, we call this as 3rd year medical college syndrome. Any disease you read, at 20, 21, you feel you have that disease. And now I think that from doctors, it's reached every household. But please, I hope you got the message right.
Yeah.
right? And I could connect with this. Why? Because I saw a lot of discussion on coconut oil.
Yeah.
I thought it is important that I tell you, and I want to give my word on coconut oil before I say bye-bye to all of you, is coconut oil was made the bad demon about 40-50 years because there was no money involved in it. See, friends, you have to remember food industry is a huge industry, and healthcare industry is another very big industry, right? There is no mix, and food industry says, I don't care what disease you have, and health industry says, I don't care what food you eat. Right? So it is very difficult for a layman or, a person who's not into the groove of things to really know what is healthy, what is not, and what are the benefits. But I can promise you coconut oil is coming back in a big way. Flaxseed oil is coming back in a big way. All our oils which we were using before have loads and loads of benefits. We have to use them in the right way at the right time. If you use them making cookies at high degree of temperatures, sorry. No oil is good that way. But if you even fry in coconut oil, no, it's not bad. It will be one of the best options you can make. Right? Thank you very much. It was a real pleasure having you on board, and I look forward to doing one-to-one with you. I know you better now, and I promise you whatever I can help you with, I will with my little experience.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bharti, please share that picture which you clicked.
Yes, RA has already done it. Rishi has already done it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
He's already shared it.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Bye-bye.
just last thing, I haven't done that LifeFast test ever.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You can just skip it.
Oh, I'll just skip it? Okay.
Perfect. We will work on your history.
Sure.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.